All right, day 3 of the lesson. We're going to learn about optimizing images for the web by manipulating their properties in Fireworks. Some of us used this last year. This might be a refresher. We're going to learn some new skills. Remember, these are our classroom agreements. No gum, no food. Please throw it out now. All right, optimizing images for the web using Fireworks, because that's what we have. So what you need to do is first open up Fireworks, right? And then you're going to go and locate the image, usually in your My Documents or folder that you created. You're going to open that image. And then, if you remember, we want to modify the canvas image size. Okay, so you're going to go to the menu at the top, Modify, Canvas, and then Image Size. And then on there, you can adjust the image. In this case, we want to keep, if you get your image and it's automatically a rectangle or a square or special shape, it's going to show up with the pixel dimensions right here. Okay, this one is 800 by 533. You notice this is locked. The reason why it's locked is because we have constrained portions. So when you want to make it equal, you can click on that constrained portions. You click OK, you put in your new numbers, and then you can resize. Now, if you want to make it a particular size that you need to fit in order to for a column or a table on your web page, then what you do is you unclick constraint proportions. You notice the locks are gone, and then you put in the exact numbers that you want. Maybe you need it to be 100 by 120 pixels, or 300 by 250 pixels, or whatever. Yes, sometimes the image will not look the original way, but we need it to fit. Okay? So if you need to do that, you unclick constraint proportions. So now we have our image. Okay, you notice we have the optimized panel here. It tells us what extension it is with the JPEG. Then what you'll do is you're going to export it. So you're going to click File. Okay, you've made your adjustments. You want to export the image. You click on Export. Now, what I want you to do is when you go to Image Preview, I want you to click on the 4 box so that you can actually see the different versions. Okay, this is how you can compare the different versions for the web. For example, this is the JPEG, better quality. Okay, you can see at 10 seconds that this is the internet speed it'll take to upload. Here's the GIF. Okay, if you notice, this is millions of colors. This is 128 colors. You can see how it lost a little bit here versus here. It's a little bit crisper. This will take 22 seconds. Okay, and then we have the other ones. And if you actually wanted to change it, you just click on the drop-down arrow and it changes. So that's what you want. Okay, then you can export. And then you can also zoom out so you can see the image as a whole. So that's right there. Okay, to see what the difference is. Right? This is, you can actually change to JPEG, better quality, and it gives you all the, you could do JPEG smaller, and then this is GIF, okay? So you can see the difference. So you can zoom out to see the entire picture. So what you can do is to configure your preview. So you're going to click on a preview pane that lets you change settings for that preview. You can optimize by removing colors, increasing compression, etc. See which still looks acceptable. So when finished, click the pane you want to export, and then you click the export button. Okay? When you export it, make sure you save, right? It stays as an image the way it was. If it was a GIF or JPEG, whatever you chose, that's the image. Obviously, find your location, give it a name, no spaces, underscore, then you click save. Now, what you can do is actually compare the original to your updated one that's exported. Okay, this was the JPEG, this is the optimized image. The original is 5 megabytes. Okay, now we've shrunk it down and it's only 25. Wow, okay, it'll be able to go quicker. So what you're going to do is the graphic optimization activity. So you're going to use the photos provided in the handout folder and you're going to adjust them in Fireworks. Okay, make sure to export each image so that it is easier to place in the Word document. Make sure to check the size of each image before and after. Okay, so that is the activity that you're going to do. If you have any questions, you can ask a neighbor. Otherwise, get started. Okay, so our job today is to make sure you save the entire image optimization folder into your My Documents first. Okay, so you're going to complete the assignment, the Word document. You're going to hand it all in together so that I can grade the Word document and images themselves. All right? Okay, good luck.